Here she comes. Let's go, Allison. The drop.
Don't act like you don't know what I'm talking about. 'Cause I really don't have to spell it out. The next time you call me, I'm gonna sit and stare at the screen, waiting for the call to end. You say we are not friends, that's that bullshit.
Yeah, here she comes. As bad as you want to be. Let's go, Malia.
I can't keep on losing you. Over complications.
And it
Gone too soon. Wait, we was just hanging.
Hey.
Hold on to. Dang. The people that know me best. The kid that I won't forget. Too soon. I can't keep on losing you. I can't keep on losing you.
Three, two. All right, here it goes. The chorus. I go flips.
I know I ain't the same. Well, I can't keep on losing you.
So fast, my heart like gold, but it break like glass. I'm gonna take it on the act so young, maybe you so cold, never had no son. You don't wanna grow up, you don't even no fun. So when I get home, I'ma give you some, make you feel like when I hit that drum, you leave my game free. I'm getting on the mercy, yeah, it's complicated, got you frustrated. Get home late, you don't drop me back. Way too cool, don't know what I'm saying. You can drive my car to drive me crazy. Complicated, got
I roll on the floor. Round number three. Round number three.
Let's go!
Snooky snook, let's go.
Hold my hand, feel the touch of your body cling to mine. You and me, making love all we do and all the night. I remember you and I walking through the park at night. Kiss and touch, nothing much. Let it flow, just touch and go. Love me more, never leave me alone. The house of love. People talk, people say, what we
Two.
have is just a game.
All right, this is it. Last round right here.
Never let me
Popcorn.
go. Come here, girl. Just stop to make sweet love till the break of dawn. Don't want the sun to shine on the break of dawn. Is this magic in your eyes and in my heart?
goes down. That's how fast it goes down. Was that a good battle? Yeah or yeah?
Yeah!
I'm telling you, they make a lot of really hard stuff look really easy. You guys like special performances? We got one coming up next after the next battle. And it's gonna be from United, so I hope you guys enjoy that. But let's go ahead and get a winner here on 3. Want to remind everybody that the winner is gonna take home all the lighting for one weekend, one quinceanera only in 2018. That's it, that's it. Let's get a winner here on 3. Judges, what you say? Judges, 1, 2, 3. Moving on, the core.